Hello, the topic today is Autodeals Service e-sending. So one of the integrated features with the messaging CRM and the Autodeals Service Center is that you can electronically send documents via mobile or to email, whatever type of document you need to send the customer. For instance, maybe an estimate or an invoice or a payment receipt. Any of these documents that are readily available in Autodeals, you can send to them and have a record of it in your CRM. So for instance, if I wanted to send this customer an estimate for a job that we were doing, and the estimate would look like this, it had all the necessary information in it. In order to send this to the customer, I would just choose eSend Estimate, and it's created that document for me. It's actually put it into my messaging view for my contact in the CRM. And I can now choose, do I want to use mobile or do I want to send it via email? However I need to, I can actually do that. In the documents attached, I'm going to click message. And now I have a record that I sent him this particular document, and I was using my mobile number in the Fred Flintstone's record. So I've just received that estimate on my phone. And so it's very, very powerful. Now that customer could also respond back now and say, yes, I approve, and you're going to have a record of that in exactly the same place with that order. And the messaging service that we're using would stand up in court as far as the sending and receiving of these documents. It's all, basically quality of service managed to verify that if these messages say delivered, they were absolutely delivered to that phone number or to that email address. So this capability is also, so it helps you manage your risk. It helps simplify the process of sending information to customers. It simplifies receiving information from customers because they can respond back and it will come immediately to that same record. It also gives you great brand recognition because your logo will be going along with all mobile messaging, so you'll be getting brand name recognition, and the professional way in which you interact with that customer will certainly be noticed, and you'll get more business. So thank you so much. If you'd like more information, you can open a help desk ticket with us, and we'll make sure that you are that you have the messaging CRM and you can use it. And on the public side, if you just connect with our chatbot and make a request there, we could also do a demonstration for you and get you signed up right away. Thank you so much.